Hello everyone, and thank you very much for tuning in. I of course am Rotype, and in between episodes I made a bit of a settings change to Farl. Not too much. I left these blueprints here just so you can see. These are the normal blueprints for Farl, and I just went in and added these lights because I do like my train tracks to have some lights at the even spacing. So I just went ahead and did that. You can clear all this now. I gotta pick up these manually. The other thing I did was I increased the distance between signals a little bit. So we'll go under here in the settings. You can see here, I don't remember what this was originally, but I upped it to 25 because with these longer trains, these 2-4 trains, the default distance is not good enough, not close enough. So that's pretty much it. Other than that, as you can see, we have a bunch of just stuff in here, wood and stone. I'm gonna dump back in there. And we have nowhere near enough of anything really to get going, but let's plan out where we're going to go. So as you can see, I was just doing some test runs here just to make sure the Farl settings worked. We looks like might have to go deal with some of these biters soon, but that's okay. We're looking for iron because this iron is down to 205,000 and it is, well, it's not running right now apparently, but it's definitely going to go before anything else. So it looks like this iron might be our best bet, especially because we've kind of already cleared out a little bit of this. Unfortunately, that's going to be right where our bus is going to go, or our bus blocks, whatever we want to call it. But I don't necessarily see a better option other than maybe up here, 4.5 million versus 8.3. Wow, so this is smaller, but almost twice as dense. So I like that, I think a little bit better. Plus, if I start using this now, it'll get it mined and out of the way. So when we actually get our factory built out that way, that won't be a problem. So, okay, I like that idea. Let's get off into that direction. Now, to do that, I'm gonna need a lot more rails. Here we go. And what else am I gonna need? Probably big poles, which I don't know that I'm building. I can build right here. Let's see, it's been a few days since I've played last, so I apologize if I take a second to just kind of roam around and see where everything is. Okay, so I don't have any poles being made. So let's go ahead and just get that done. So I need some of these. And let's just stick them in right there, and we'll get the other poles being made as well. How about there? We'll use... Hopefully they don't need fast inserters because I don't have any. Go here, these will go into a box here and there. I can power this all with one box, excellent. Looks like I cannot, in the map view, tell the machines what to produce, so we're gonna have to run over there. I do also want to start making lamps because I realize it's a little bit dark. So I'll try to start lighting up the area. Now all these block blueprints have lamps in them, but of course they've not been placed, or if they don't, they should. So we'll get to that as well. Let's head off down this way, take this, it's the problem with using these small poles. I got another small pole, there we go. And we'll take this turn. There we go. This way we can get this set up. Again, the goal right now is really just to get everything to the point where I can start really building the base. And that the next bottleneck for that is the train. So anything that the train needs, namely big poles, just building small poles because it's convenient while I'm here, but it's the big poles that are the big deal for the train. What else does the train need? The train needs signals. So that's just electronic circuits and iron plate. Yeah, we might have to actually start getting some proper manufacturing done. This kind of hodgepodge stuff is not going to cut it very much anymore. So what I'm going to do in order to do that is actually build, where is it? I want the one, there we go. So I'm going to build another block, and I'm going against my original plan. I thought about this a little bit between episodes. We'll take a look at the map here. We have these as my green circuit area, but I think I'm going to delete those and move the green circuits up here. Now, the reason I'm doing that is because as much as I normally like to leave space for the bus to get bigger, we're building this in such a large way that I think I can get away with not doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and place, and I'll do it one at a time, just in case we do have to end up moving it later. But I'm going to build our green circuit area up here. That way, need to grab some poles. That way we can get green circuits on the bus. I do need to fix that blueprint a little bit earlier and also just get some green circuits for ourselves so I don't have to build this. I like build all the green circuits myself. It can get a little bit tedious and annoying. Go ahead and just place all of these just to get this kind of prepared. Now I do have a green circuit design somewhere. I believe it's in this one that I like to use. I've used for quite a while now. Here it is, circuits green. Now, if I remember correctly, let's see, I believe I want here. Now, as far as up and down goes, I'm going to stick with the 2 spacing like this. Yeah, I think I like that spacing. And then we'll be able to obviously go up and over to fill in the block as we go. So from here, it's just filling in the machines. Actually, you know what do I have? I do not have any construction bots. Let's go ahead and just build a few of them. I need iron. I have no iron. All right. Let's go find myself some iron. I believe there it is. My box is over here. And let's go ahead and just build a couple of these. These will go ahead and use my stupid iron picks that I have piled up somewhere. So, 8. Yeah, I don't want, let's get rid of a bunch of these. See if I can use them all. Yeah, and then I can put my steel in there. There we go, that takes care of 2 problems at once. I will tab over, well, as soon as we have some, I'll tab over. But in the meantime, I guess I gotta do this kind of myself. That's fine. This is going to be the green circuits. This will help us out a lot because crafting green circuits is just tedious and annoying. No electric poles. Well, we have those here. I have 150 of them. I don't need that many at the moment. Just start to get, Again, this is the problem where I end up making, yeah, so that's good. Stop all that and just make a bunch more of these so I can get this going. I think this will help us out quite a bit and probably is something I should have done a while ago, but alas, I did not, and so we're left with doing it now. I'm gonna need a bunch of these as well. And like I said, as soon as I get this first one done, we'll start having green circuits and that'll help us out a lot. Not having to handcraft the green circuits. Okay. So this innermost one is copper. So that's where this has to come from. And unfortunately, we're going to have to either de-spaghetti or somehow just come through all of this nonsense. And you know, I'm just gonna do that. And it's only going to be one-sided. Not ideal. Let's see if I can... Yeah, I didn't think so. Let's go ahead and just shift them up by 1. There we go. Because I would really rather have a full belt. There we go. All right, so there's a full belt of copper coming up. If I connect it properly, there we go. And that should get the copper done. This will fill in the rest of this for me. Do have to connect the iron on this side. The only downside to this design is, okay, I don't want you to be filling in brick. Stop with the brick. Wow, range. Where are they going? Okay. What was I saying? Oh yes, the only problem with this design is sometimes it can be a little difficult to split off 2 things from the bus right next to each other. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. But again, our bus is so improper at the moment anyway. As you can see here, this is just a complete mess. So what I'm going to do... Yeah, I mean, this is all temporary, so I just want to get some stuff taken care of. So I'm gonna turn this up here and down. Again, just to get some green circuits. I just need some green circuits. And fill in these inserters as well. And that should take care of that. We should start seeing, as soon as this iron comes down, our first green circuits on the belt. Out of inserters again. A bunch of these. And actually, no, stop. I want to not handcraft green circuits. Just turn these straight at me. And as soon, yeah, there we go. So look how much faster that is when I can just right click. Yeah, okay, right click too much. But I don't have to make the green circuits myself. Way better. All right, let's see what else these nanobots can help me with. And I'm out of nanobots again. See if I can make, yeah, see these still require actually no green circuits at all. Just a bunch of, well, I suppose they do for the repair packs, but a lot of stuff. These nanobots are not cheap, but they're helpful at least for these kind of tedious things. We've got lots of different pieces turning different ways. There we go. All right, that's fine. And just to finish that up, I'll turn this back down and do the same thing on this side. So the innermost one needs to be copper. This is a little easier because the RoboPort's not in the way. So we'll go get ourselves some copper right here. And while I'm here, the iron is on the outside. Oops. Iron on the outside. And again, this is where we're really going to see it. I think what I might do is split it here. Do this here. And then just give it a little turn. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but, you know, it gets the job done. And like I've said, this is just temporary. So we're turning, going up. This is going to get an ugly turn as well, like that. Just to get green circuits on the belt. I just want to make sure that this will be running, and then we'll let this go. And actually what I want to do is put a box. Oh, where's a good place to put a box? Fortunately, there's no power already lined up anywhere, so I'll have to just, for symmetry's sake, waste some material, but that's just the way I want it to be. We'll put a box over here, and I'll say, I don't want an open box, I want a steel box. Thank you. Give me, I don't know, 2 stacks of green circuits. Good, everything is running. Now I wonder if I have enough stack inserter bonus to just do this. I think I might. Watching the bottleneck mod for this to go, yeah. So we can save on resources here. And just pull, yeah, with 1 inserter. I like it. Good. Okay, let's grab some green circuits and we're trying to remember what we were working on before. Lights. Lights, they're gonna have to be another temporary thing, I think. But at least at this point, we have green circuits coming down. So I think lights require sticks, if I remember correctly. Let's go to, what are lights under? Here we go, lights. Iron stick, electronic circuits, iron plate. Great. So we can just kind of finagle this like this. We've got green circuits over here. I'm on the wrong toolbar. There we go. And we'll just take these down like this. And you know, I'm just going to move this over with the picker. That should run everything. Good. Okay, so now we have lights. Lights go in, lights go out. Into a box. And we get, I don't know, these are going to be used for the rail, so we might need a lot of them. How are we limiting rail? On a wooden chest? We're going to need a lot of rail. Let's get a steel chest full of rail. All right, what else? We need big poles, which we got making over here, which we should get maybe that many. So we got big poles. We need to upgrade the inserter for big poles. How about that? Huh, what are you still lacking? Mostly copper. All right, let's give you another copper. How's that? Steel. All right, good. So we got big poles. We got lamps. Now we need signals. Signals require electronic circuits and iron plate. All right, that's easy in our super spaghetti. There we go. Let's get some fast inserters. Ooh, we're gonna have two different types of inserters. Two different types of signals. So we're gonna go up like this. And it's gonna have to be a little janky. But that's what this whole area is all about, right? Oh, the jank. All right, let's go there. And here we're gonna go up again. Man, this is so ugly. Please ignore the ugliness. It's temporary. I got a bunch of these I need to make. A pole to place. Fortunately, that won't connect, so we'll connect it over here. Let's give it one more push to get everything powered. These are going to be regular signals. These are going to be chain signals. We're going to put these into wooden boxes. We don't need that many. This one will go here. This one will go here. And out they go. Here and here. Now, we definitely don't need even a wooden box full of these. So we'll just kind of limit them like that. So now we have everything that the train needs being made. So hopefully at this point, we shouldn't be limited by train resources. We should be able to just kind of map over, load stuff. So let's see if I can fuel. No, I need the wagon. There we go. Oh, interesting. If I click the cargo wagon from the map view, it loads me into the train. What if I just try and load like this? Nope. It's going to think I'm trying to access. Interesting. Well, that's fine. We'll just have to head back over that way and load up the train from that side, which is fine because then we will be wanting to be in the train and take off to the new iron area. So let's head back to the train. Can't wait until I have some faster fuel for this car or the road's actually built. Whoa, trees. All right, here we go. If I remember correctly, the train is on this avenue. Yep, here it is. Okay. Pull in off the road. And from here, we can just dump all this stuff. See, we can say, all right, I need to dump light poles and let's go back up here to our little area. We need electric poles. We need lights. We need signals. We need rails. And our inventory is full. But I believe that's everything we really need. So these and these and these and these and these. All kinds of stuff. Probably could use a few more. Probably signals. Although maybe 100. I don't know. We have a long way to go. So let's see how we do. Let's hop in Farl. And head out of our depot. Now, which way do we want to go? We said we're trying to access this iron over here. So I think I'm going to go probably north and then over. We'll leave area to exit for this stone and kind of take the main line down and turn in here. Now it looks like we're going to have to fight a couple of biter nests. So let's make sure we're at least sort of well prepared for that. We've got a submachine gun with some ammo and some grenades. Let's see if I can get myself a bit more ammo. Here we go. That's a lot of ammo, so that should hopefully be fine. Do I have any turrets? I have 17 turrets. Okay, that'll be good. So we'll take a left turn to go north. Reach the end of the line here. And I usually like to start Farl a little bit farther back from the end of the line, just to make sure it picks up on everything. And start. Out of stone wall. Yeah, I don't care. Actually, you know what I want to do? Stop. What if I can tell it not to do the wall? There it is, place walls. Okay, so that way it won't complain about not having any wall. Probably I don't have any concrete either, so I'm gonna do that too. Okay, save. All right, found the signal. Place an unconnected pole. See, this is what happens every once in a while if I start too far forward. It does this to me. I don't like it. We'll clear these. I'm just gonna back up behind this pole. Make sure it detects. Stop. Start. Now, it did it again. Every once in a while, Farl's a little finicky this way. I think I'm gonna try and do maintenance mode. Maybe that'll help. Yeah, okay, so now it detected the poles. There we go. All right, now we're rolling. So what I do need to do is decide how far north to go before I turn. I need to go above this. I think I'm gonna go just to about the desert connection right there online. So I'll take this up. When we get to the desert, right here, I'll make a left turn and another left turn. And off we go. So, unfortunately, I got to take a break here, but in between episodes, I will continue with this train line and run it out to the depot. Until the next one, thank you all very much for watching. My name's been Brotype, and I'll see you next time.